I so often hear people talking about hard work and smart work. And I see smart people talking about shortcuts. They call it smart work. I work smarter. I don't work hard. I would like to tell them all that there's no smart work unless it's hard the smart way. Work is only a piece of the game. You either have an ultimate decision to grow and develop, or you don't. Bruce Lee used to say, worry not about that who trains one time on 1,000 punches. I worry about that who trains 1,000 times on one punch. It's repetition. It's that decision to do it and excel at it and become better and better and better until you're so good, you're uniquely good, you're scary good at it. If you're in an industry and you want to grow, you need to read every day, learn more. Remember, not all what you read will help you or will benefit you directly next day, but it will all come together whenever you need it. Work hard towards a certain goal in your career. Money is a byproduct of success. Money is a byproduct of success because money does not come without success, unless in a wrong way, and definitely it doesn't last then. If you want to succeed in life and you want to create financial freedom that everyone talks about, you need to first create that emotional and mental strength that will allow you to enjoy that financial freedom. If you don't, you just have money that probably will create for you more headache and less peace than having none. It's just very important how you make your money. It's very important to understand why did you make your money. It's very important that you make your money for the right reasons. You make more money or less money. After that, money becomes a KPI. I've reached a point where money is a KPI. Yes, there's no successful businessman who's not making money. He can't say, I have a successful business. Yes, it's losing money. It's not growing. But it's successful and I'm a successful businessman. No, not really. Not really. It's a very important KPI. Yet, it's not the only one. And alone, it wouldn't stand, and you wouldn't stand as happily successful probably. You need to understand that money is a byproduct of the right action and the right process followed. And I, at no point of time, will accept not to get there. I try, it works, or it doesn't. I try again. It may not, and then I try, and then it will. And I always said, everything works with me, and I end up succeeding at it. Maybe not because I'm good at it, maybe because I'm stupidly stubborn to stop it or stop trying at it. I'm not sure everything I've succeeded with is smart to succeed in. I'm not sure that every success of mine was right. What I am sure of is that I was so stubborn and so determined that I never left it before it did succeed. And I will never leave it until it does succeed. And again, I'm not sure that that's right. I'm not sure that that success served me to the best possible or in the best possible way. I'm not sure if success in something have served me in the best possible way. Maybe that success could have crippled me, stopped me from achieving the most I could achieve. Maybe. But what I'm sure of is that I continued trying until it worked every time. And that's why it worked. The benefit of that, however, is that I've created a track record of success, of succeeding. And I continue to do. And that's probably one of the only features of being that stubborn and continue trying. Many people quit on something and then go to something else which may be bigger and succeed at it, and the world changes for them. It's not me. I know it's not me, and I understand it's not me, and I understand that I need to continue beat my head towards it and against it until it works, until I do good at it. This is what I believe. I am. At least I understand what I'm good at, what I'm not. I hope you do. In life, you have several routes you can take. The best of them, and the most important one of them, is what makes you happy. And happiness is a very wide definition of a state of mind and heart and soul, probably. I know how to define it for myself. Learn how to define it for you. For me, it's a balance between satisfaction, adrenaline of success, peace, calmness, laziness, bitterness. It's a strange recipe. There's much more into it. Now, I'll not give you my recipe to success because I'm sure it won't work for you. And to be honest, I don't know, or I'm not sure I really know it. What I know is that I live my day and I'm happy. And I'm happy at the end of it. Although I live all of those that I've talked about every day. I live frustration, I live fear, I live strength, I live power. I live all of those. And sometimes I say, maybe I don't need to live this feeling or that. Maybe I need to remove it. And I'm working on removing some. I'm not sure that will help me. Maybe that will hurt me. But I will work towards improving or growing or changing or becoming better. Progress is key. Again, keep on progressing. You either grow bigger or you grow smaller. Most important is you're growing. Try to make sure that you grow bigger. I'll not be able to tell you more about that subject. The only thing I want to tell you now is God bless you, and make sure you make the best out of it. Out of the few minutes that you lived with me now, today, I hope you changed something to the better, or reconfirmed something, or changed none, but you made sure that what you have was the right set of skill to really have people inspired with it. Get people inspired by it. Yeah, that's life. C'est la vie.